doing that twice a day? Me? Yes, I'm such a silly person. I do twice a day baking chiffon cake. The first one, the one that I uploaded earlier, which flopped because it was hard. And the second one, this is the second one I did in this evening. And it works. How's that? I'm so excited about it. As you can see, let me touch it. Yes, it's soft. Woohoo! Anyway, yeah, second time is a charm, as they call it. This time, I followed the, the ingredients, the recipe exactly to a T. Compared to the first one, I was trying to change it to fit my angel cake pan, which is about 10 inches, and the recipe was for 7 inch. So I decided to just go with a 7 inch in the evening, using exactly the same recipe for the 7 inch cake pan, and voila, it works. Whoopie-doo. So anyway, yes, if the first time you have not succeeded, try again, and it will succeed eventually. Thank you for watching. Bye.